PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Ah, I don't know where the ball is. What do you mean by not knowing where the ball is? Remember? If I hit this ball, look, if I spin it back, I might catch your backhand. So if I'm moving sideways, I must go that way, because you're crowding me. I'm out of position. Understand? Let me show you. Did I spin back to the backhand? It's not very practical for me to twist to the backhand like this. Why did I end up using a forehand motion with this move? Did I step all the way around? I must have gone to the forehand side. Why is that? Because I dare not come in too early with the spin, because that line is too long. It's easy to hit the net. Am I setting up under spin? It's spinning again, so I need to control the ball's trajectory. I need to give it a curved path. Can I come in with the spin so early? What's so difficult about that? I must twist like this, even though there is a risk in doing it this way. I definitely want to catch your backhand on this side. Do you understand? Have you noticed? What rule have I mentioned the most to you? Only by understanding the rule can you play the ball well. He can never figure out the rule, always guessing what others will do. You're always trailing behind others. Right, once you understand the rule, so others won't know how to play against you. Why? When you play against me, you know. Where is your rule, right? Okay. What if it goes out? You're always hitting it out. Just think about going outward and downward. Nice. Go with the flow. Okay. You didn't stop in time. You need to know how to stop. You can't just keep going without control. It went outward and downward. But the ball went out. What's the point, right? You didn't break. Right. Break. Even when you drop shot. Yes, when you rush in so fast, you have to break even faster. Even a drop shot needs braking. Even a slower shot needs to be It's simple. When you're driving at 50 kilometers per hour, you still brake when you see a red light. Like driving 100 kilometers per hour, you need to brake harder. Right, makes sense. Yes. A drop shot is like going 50 kilometers per hour. Rushing is 100 kilometers per hour. Then rushing, you must brake even harder. Exactly, you need a sharper brake. Try another drop shot. See, you braked, just not as sharply. But earlier, you knew to brake for drop shots, but not when rushing. Of course it flies out. Nice, see, that was a brake. Once the outward force is expressed, then brake. Right, now try a drop shot. Drop is slow braking. Relatively gentle brake, right? Rushing is sharp braking. Same effort used. Drop shot is like 50 kilometers per hour. Rush is 100 kilometers per hour. At 50 kilometers per hour, you brake gently, right? Let it slow down gradually. But when rushing, it's 100 kilometers per hour. You must brake hard. You should feel the power from your abdomen transferring to your hand at the end. Naturally, the forearm applies force. For the upper arm, it's about controlling this segment. You need to exert force in this segment as well. What is it for? People say not to use the upper arm, but I think using the upper arm is necessary. The power you generate in this area is strong. If this area is loose, there won't be power. So, where did the power go? But this force is for what purpose? It's to control this section from losing its shape. Their power comes from the fingers, wrists, and forearms when playing. What about the upper arm? The upper arm controls them from losing their shape. Look at your center of gravity exerting force. You are exerting force when you step. What about the abdomen? What about the buttocks? They are for controlling the whole body and not losing shape. When you pull back, how much force is there? Without activating the buttocks, you will lean back. If the abdomen loosens again, this is how it should be. So, what are the abdomen and buttocks for? They control the whole body from losing form. Focus on your own tasks. The power is mainly from the fingers and forearms, right? Regarding the abdomen and buttocks, it's about controlling your entire center of gravity and maintaining form. It's about understanding it for yourself. Use your ABS to exert force. Remember, Chang drive means giving power openly. Down drop shot means giving power secretly. Secretly doesn't mean no power. Secretly, haha. Secretly still means with force. What about the hand? Move forward and outward, right? Rotate to add spin, yeah. Simple, right? Ha ha ha. Isn't that hidden power? Isn't this clearly exerting force? Use your ABS to push against it. Didn't it go through the blade? Yes. And that was hidden force secretly applying power again. Sit back a bit, right? It's still the same issue. As soon as they attack, you just shrink your neck. Don't be afraid to show your skills. You should actively confront him. It doesn't matter if they counter. The more they counter, the more power I generate. Right, their counter quality is low. Can't I just adjust and counteract actively? Their counter quality is high. Their counter quality is low now. But it doesn't mean you shrink when they lift their head. You shrink while retreating and he's attacking. You're the welcoming party. Yes, look, the quality is low. You generate power for your offense. Great, at least I can maintain a stalemate. Right, your counter quality is high. If I counteract with force, I'll have the advantage. Beautiful. Good, that's excellent. This is a combination punch. What is a combination punch? Like boxing. Move in and out, punch. This is the combination punch. After you loop with your backhand, apply pressure. Clearly, this is the combination punch. Strike with the combination punch. Play it again. Apply pressure, attack him. Are you watching me like watching a monkey? Loop, spin, pressure, fast attack. Ah, the combination punch. Din Din is thinking, this coach. Din is too excited to practice. I belong to the beast style. Apply pressure, good. Attacking him is good. Loop, spin, pressure, fast attack. Apply more pressure, ha ha ha. Loop, spin, pressure, pressure him. Loop, spin, pressure, fast attack him. Very good, come on. Loop, spin, pressure, fast. Apply pressure fast, very good. Loop, spin, pressure, fast. Wait for the chance to unleash your power, it's excellent. Watch the belly movement. What does that indicate? Move forward all the way for a straight shot, right? So you lost the arc, correct. Move forward and outwards for the arc. Yes, suddenness comes out. This way we get the arc, but you break too late, right? Ah, let's try again. Forward and outward. This is the way. Move forward all the way. Isn't it going out like this? How can there be an arc like this? How can there be an arc, right? It's impossible to have an arc. Yes, stop it. Do you feel like you release it this way? The power released is not correct. From relaxation to acceleration and then break. Accelerate outward and then break. It should feel like this, right? Are you releasing it properly? Oh, this one is prone to losing Another control. One has a significant change in speed. The power you release. What about me? Right. I suddenly exert force. Then quickly break. Is this how it ends? What are you? Is it obvious how you release it like this? Does it look like you're learning? It's this kind of feeling. Just like driving a car. Stepping on the gas pedal hard and braking abruptly. Braking abruptly is deceleration. Right. Yes, stepping on the gas pedal hard. You should finish the force from here to here. Don't evenly distribute the force here over such a distance. It's not just about generating power from the core. From preparing to hit the ball to about to hit the ball, all the force is released towards here. What are you doing now? You're essentially distributing this 100 kilograms of force evenly in this segment. So, you're releasing it correctly, right?
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.